Junkie coming soon, okay? The sharpening technique. More info coming up in a few months. Alright? So chef, talk to us please. My chef never been on the camera before, so he's trying to so is that, can you walk us through what you're doing please? For the new beginners or the people that need more experience sharpening the knife, please?
So pretty much there's a direct angle that you kind of want to get your knife at compared to the
What was that first thing you did? What was that block thing for?
So pretty much this is to clean the whetstone, to take off any like residue from metal.
Nice.
From the other knife, it also helps to create like a sand almost to make it easier to sharpen the knife.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet.
I mean, with the knife, there's always a certain angle where you can kind of feel the knife become like flush with the stone. So at certain angles you can feel the actual blade, but there's a certain point where you kind of know where the bevel is. You can kind of feel it become flush with the stone.
You know where the bevel?
Well, I wouldn't say bevel, but like, you know what I mean?
I don't know where the bevel is, so I want to know.
So like bevel, so this is a bevel?
Yeah.
Because like the majority of knives have two bevels.
Oh, okay.
So.
Got you, chef. Thank you.
Pretty much like wherever you put your hands is kind of where you're going to sharpen the whetstone. So whenever you're going up, you don't want to apply any pressure, but when you're going down, that's where you want like the minimal pressure.
Okay.
You don't want to push too hard, but you don't want to push too soft as well.
You recording?
Yeah, you can talk to me. What's up?
Cauliflower, second veg.
Yeah, we can start at 4 cases. Yes, sir. Thank you. Florets, not too small, you know.
Yeah, okay.
Medium size. Yeah. Yeah.
How many cases?
There's 4 cases. 4. So what's up with the pennies over there? To your left, chef. The pennies.
Pennies? Oh. So, I mean, it's kind of a thing to where this will give you the exact angles on what you need. On like the exact degree on what you need when you're sharpening a knife.
So how many pennies are you using there?
So 3 for when I'm going against, and then 2 for when you do your main side.
Okay.
Because majority of knives are 70-30, so you sharpen one side 70% and then the other side 30%.
Oh wow, that's new to me. I never heard that before. That's pretty cool.
Always keep your whetstone wet. That's the first rule.
Nice.
Now you cut itself as sharp as if you run it against the catches on your thumb, and you can kind of get to tell some of the spots that you need to work on. Yeah.
All right. So it's like gripping your thumb, like almost like going through?
No, it's just kind of like, I mean, if you run it over, there's certain areas that it just stops completely.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if it stops, what does that mean?
That means it's sharp.
It's
in
sharp.
certain areas, and then where you feel it smoother, that's where you need to work on more.
All right.
Yeah. So there's multiple. I mean, there's a lot of things going on sharpening a knife.
Okay. So typically, if I have a dull ass knife, right?
Yeah.
How long will that take to sharpen?
On 1,000 grip, probably about a good hour, depending on how dull it is.
Also, the grit is the stone.
Yeah, so every
Okay.
every stone has a different grit. You have 1,000, 3,000, you have 500.
Okay.
So if you're typically working with a dull knife, then you want to go more lower
Lower
skill,
and then
yeah.
bring it out to the final. Okay.
Yeah, so 1,000s for kind of just shaping, or well, 500's more for shaping, like kind of just really eating away at the metal. 1,000s for kind of getting a nice sharpness in there.
Okay.
When you start going to like 3,000, that's where you get to more polishing.
All right.
So that's where you, yeah.
Wow. Wow. Learned a lot just now. Thank you, sir.
Not a problem. So if you notice, every time I move, my fingers move.
Okay.
Because wherever you sharpen, wherever your fingers are, that's the point that's going to get the most sharp, or that's the point that's going to be hit. I always use 2 on the end side of the knife because a lot of people don't hit their bevel, or the end of their blade as well, the hilt. And you know you're getting pretty good when you feel your knife and you feel what's called a burr.
A what?
A burr.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's kind of like when the steel of the knife starts folding over. And so it's like you're kind of reshaping.
Okay.
And that's when you kind of start working on your other side. And again, I kind of just use this to get the perfect.
Cebolla 25, pum 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 pum. Cebolla, bola, blanco, esa, mucho, listo. Sí, sí. Julian, sí.
So it's the more you go, the higher the number you're going to go to.
Okay.
So once you do 1,000, doesn't make too big of a difference, and then I'll go to the 1,200 stone, and then I'll go to 3,000 to polish. So again, you kind of just, I don't really work this one too much. So if you feel it right there, like feel this? You can kind of feel like the steel folding over.
Yes, yes.
So that's what you're looking for.
Okay. So does the knife come like that, like when it's purchased?
No.
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 Okay.
They have like machines.
Oh, you're right. Totally correct. Oh, 25 libre. Sorry.
Oh, 25 libras.
Libre, libre, sí, oui, oui. Mucho inside though.
25 una bolsa, ¿verdad?
Maybe, yeah, yeah. Vascular over there. Yeah. So typically, how long should a knife last you?
Typically, if you get a good sharpen, probably say about 2-3 weeks,
Okay.
maybe a month,
All right.
depending on how much work you do with the knife.
All right. And then now we're up to what, 6,000?
3,000.
Well, it says hashtag 6,000 over there.
Oh, 6,000. Sorry, I thought it was
Okay.
3,000. My bad.
Okay, looking only 4 cases here.
Yeah. That's all.
And then again, you just gotta find that perfect angle to where this is kind of flush with your whetstone. About right there. Feels nice. And then you just kind of go back at it.
Have you ever used an oil stone before, chef?
No.
No? No. That's not your thing? No, just don't like it.
I mean, a lot of, yeah, just don't, never really use one.
Okay.
You managed
A lot
to
of
keep
it.
the same angle?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's a lot of training.
That's the big, you guys hear that? It's a lot of training. So your first time users,
And
please be
patience.
careful.
And patience.
And patience, okay? That's basically anything you do in life for success. Training and patience. What are you looking for, chef?
No, pretty much I'm just looking for angles, just to make sure that the majority of the time I stayed with a nice line and
Nice.
the right angle the whole
Nice.
time.
So
So
that's something
sometimes-
we'll look for.
Yeah, so sometimes like this stone right here is very old and I don't have the right materials to clean it. And so, or to flatten it, so sometimes when I'm hitting certain angles, I'll kind of get this, like I'll hit a little too high.
Okay.
And it's because the stone is warped a little. And that's kind of like something you really don't want to sharpen on. But
Okay.
if that's all you got, you just kind of have to know how to work around it. But yeah,
Cool.
feels good.
All right, people. Thank you. Like, comment, share. Culinary Joking coming soon.